Hello, assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings. It's me, Sabina, with my July 2024 newsletter video blog summary. This month I'm still struggling with my shoulders and my fingers are very, very painful. I've struggled to type and record this vlog. On a happier note, I have recorded my videos for the 6 items challenge 2024 with Labour Behind the Label, and I hope to post them on my social media handles soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to recording another video for you next month. Take care. Bye for now. Walaikum salam. Peace and blessings.